Today we're baking a Spanish Easter classic, Orange Mona de Pascua. It serves 8 and takes about 4 hours from start to finish. Let's do it. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. First, 500 grams of all-purpose flour for a soft, airy crumb. 100 grams of granulated sugar to sweeten the dough. 7 grams of active dry yeast to lift the bread. 200 milliliters of warm milk at about 40 degrees Celsius to activate the yeast. 2 large eggs to enrich the dough. 80 grams of unsalted butter, softened, for tenderness. Zest of 2 oranges to perfume the dough. 60 milliliters of fresh orange juice for bright flavor. 5 milliliters of vanilla extract for warmth. 6 grams of fine salt to balance the sweetness. 15 milliliters of olive oil to grease the bowl. 1 egg for the egg wash and shine. 30 grams of pearl sugar or coarse sugar for crunch on top. 2 oranges, thinly sliced, for the candied topping. 200 grams of granulated sugar for the candied orange syrup. 200 milliliters of water for the syrup. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a saucepan, combine 200 grams of sugar with 200 milliliters of water. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Add 2 thinly sliced oranges and cook on low for 30 to 40 minutes until the slices turn translucent. Transfer the candied orange slices to a rack. Reserve 30 milliliters of the syrup and let the slices dry for 30 minutes. Stir 7 grams of active dry yeast into 200 milliliters of warm milk at about 40 degrees Celsius and let it stand for 10 minutes until foamy. In a large bowl, combine 500 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 6 grams of salt, the zest of 2 oranges, and 5 milliliters of vanilla. Add the milk and yeast mixture, 60 milliliters of orange juice, and 2 eggs. Then mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough for 8 minutes, then work in 80 grams of softened butter, and continue kneading 6 to 8 minutes more until smooth and elastic. Lightly oil a bowl with 15 milliliters of olive oil. Place the dough inside, cover, and let it rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes until doubled. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface. Shape it into a round or a ring about 22 centimeters wide and place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Cover and let the shaped dough rise for 45 to 60 minutes until puffy. During the last 15 minutes of rising, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Beat 1 egg for the wash, brush it over the dough, arrange the candied orange slices on top, and sprinkle 30 grams of pearl sugar. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 22 to 28 minutes until deep golden and baked through. Cool on a rack for 20 minutes. Then brush the top with the reserved 30 milliliters of orange syrup for shine. Slice the Mona de Pascua and serve slightly warm or at room temperature. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Spanish Easter bake, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.